What's up, you guys? This is Ike, and I'm back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all on how I will be replacing an iPhone 13 front screen and back housing. So I'm not going to be showing the whole thing, just the before and after of the restoration. As you can see here, it's badly cracked, but we're gonna get it in back to perfect condition. So I'll see you guys in a little bit here with the finishing touches on this restoration. So I'm back again, you guys, and to show you here the completed restoration. As you see, this is the old screen and housing. And as you can see here, I have completely removed all the internal into this new housing and also put the new screen on it. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and lock it down here and turn it on and see if everything works. So there you have it, guys, a complete restoration of front screen and back housing on an iPhone 13. I hope you guys liked it. Please like and subscribe. And until next time, you guys take good care of yourself, stay blessed, and have a wonderful day.